go, homie? I'm gonna wear my Power Ranger boots today. Alright. Come back for Gohan in a bit. Dude, it's such a nice day. A few days ago, it snowed pretty hardcore. It was like a real Canadian winter for a couple of days. But now the sun's out, snow's melting again, and main roads are pretty dry. So today's gonna be a good day. Well, you know what? Every day is good on this channel. Also, guys, oh fuck, no, that shouldn't have happened. We got a performance radiator for the Rx8, so maybe we can install that today too, by TYC. All right, the first challenge of the day, get Gohan into the XB. All right, homie, you ready? This way. Gojin, this way. We're gonna pick you up. Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. Please. Gojin, come on. Come on. We're gonna pick you up. Child, please. Come on. You gotta get going, homie. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Up. Awesome, dude. Pound it. Thanks. Chow Chows are supposedly one of the most aggressive breeds and also one of the most stubborn. This kid, the latter. I'll see you guys at the garage. Gojin, don't be angry. Of course, gotta get your donuts first. Salamat. Okay, happy holidays. Oh, thank you. She's like, ang ganda yung aso nyo. What the heck? You're a beautiful dog and you know it. Alright. Candy cane hot chocolate for everybody! Nice! With a shot of espresso. Alright, let me get settled. And it's actually such a nice day outside. Sun's beaming. So, life's good. Alright guys, so believe it or not, we actually ended up ordering a whole bunch of extra stuff for the Rx8, including a battle arrow spoiler. But we're gonna be saving all the bodywork stuff for later. And how I look at it is like, I mean, I could just like slap everything on and call it a night, but that's not how we do things on this channel. So I'm just gonna spread the installation videos out and yeah, you know, kind of milk the process. And also it might be helpful for you guys, especially those of you who do own an Rx8 for yourself. Now, this is just the base model, and FYI, we already have the wide body selected for this. And it's no secret, we're gonna be doing the Lions kit. You're probably familiar with the kit if you watch Throttle. They actually also had a giveaway Rx8 with the same wide body. Yeah, we're gonna be going with the same kit. Today, we're just gonna do simple wheel tests, show you guys the wheels that we ended up going with. Right in this corner. So we'll get set up, bring the Rx8 inside here, clean it up a little bit, and then maybe get Eddie's help to install the springs as well. So the Rx8 will be lowered today with new wheels. Let's get it. You know what, I'm just super excited to show you guys the wheels we went with, so let's just show you now. So big shout outs to Kenji for hooking me up with these ZR10s. If you guys remember the concept that we created a couple months back, I actually wanted to go with white wheels, but CR Kai's. But honestly, they're pretty similar and still the same brand, so you know what? I'm okay with these wheels. And they're hella clean. Alright, Gojin, thanks for waiting, homie. Okay, you're free. Hey, what the heck? There's your friend. Yo, go on, let him go pee. Sweet. More progress in Sunny's shop. It's becoming so much more cozy in here. And it's not because he has the fireplace going on the TV. And we actually got a door installed there. So now both bays are connected. And this bay is connected to the front area. You having fun up here? This is your new playhouse. You guys want a treat? Alright. One sec. Alright, let's take our shot for the thumbnail. Alright, let's get these wheels on. Oh, that's one of the springs. Or that's the new one?
The old one.
Oh, the old one. Damn. You work quick, man. So Eddie's actually doing one wheel at a time, but he got the spring compressor right here. Makes things a lot easier. And the new Megan Racing springs.
The idea is that if you're much lower, you can actually trim this. But
we don't know how low this is gonna go yet.
yeah.
Or you could just cut the spring right there. That's Hager Garage style, man. This isn't a Hager Garage. The last time we did this on my E36, my buddy literally just like put a board on top of it, undrilled the bolt, and then it shot that way. Is it branded Megan Racing? What the? I think the Megan Racing would have been colored. These look like stock Rx8 springs. Maybe the guy just gave me stock ones. Fuck. Dang. Got Angus working on a 2020 Macon. This is like fresh off the lot. Maybe only 3 days on the road. It's such a funky hood. Like it encloses the headlight, and it's also, it reminds me of the Supra hood where it's part the top and part the fenders as well. Blacked out is so nice looking. It's like an SUV day in here. All right, so sadly, I didn't do my research. I didn't know what aftermarket springs look like or what Megan Racing springs look like. The rear springs that Eddie took out are completely identical. Maybe one is a little bit shorter. The one that has more kilometers. I think the guy who sold me that, well, he actually just gave them to me for free when he sold me the Gretty exhaust. And he also threw in like an aftermarket steering wheel setup, which I gave to my friend, and also aftermarket radiator, the one that I showed you this morning. But for now, I think I'm just gonna save up, or if you guys want, you can share this video, drop a like, and really help me explode this YouTube channel so we can afford more car parts. Okay, I'm being honest and transparent with you guys. Take some funds to make these car builds happen, okay? Also, buy some merch. We're having a restock this Friday. We'll just save up for coilovers for the RX8, and for now, we can test fit our works.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee, yeah. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is moving.
Let's lower the bad boy. Damn, that's aggressive fitment, man. Pokes out like an inch. I was like, that's a pretty big gap. But we haven't lowered this side. Okay. Definitely need some more low. I wish those springs were real, but this gives us the opportunity to just take our time and save up for actual coilovers. But here, this is what it looks like with the rear wheels in. And they are staggered fitment. So the rear tire is a little more thicker. But once we get the front wheels in, you guys will get a much better idea. Damn, looking good. Here you go. Damn. All right, thanks for the help, Eddie. This guy's been a huge help for the past, I'd say, month. Actually, I only met him like during the renovation process when we were moving in. But for you guys who don't know, this is Eddie. And a lot of people have actually been asking about it. Just like, where did he come from? Where did he appear? So yeah, Eddie. Appreciate it, man. Just needs a little more low. That's where the coilovers will come in handy. I was just saying, those can actually fit on the Element. Whoa, there's a Tesla out here. Oh, sweet, it's the one with the gull wing doors. Man, it actually is a SUV day. Bruh, I wanna see the gull wings. Open sesame. Yes, yes. Hell yeah, that is so cool. What? Okay, that's so high tech.
Spaceship, anyone? Spaceship?
Yeah, pretty much. There's a reason why this is almost like a ground spaceship. It was built by a man who's trying to make space flight commercial. These guys are starting to see some pretty crazy cars coming in the shop. All right guys, I think I'm just gonna call it an early one. End the video. We got the wheels on, but unfortunately the springs that we got were just stock springs, but we got them for free. The next few days, I'll just work on getting us some actual coilovers for this thing, but maybe tomorrow we can install the Battle Arrow spoiler. And then phase 1 for this thing is probably gonna be done within the next week. And then actually, that's when the real fun begins. Enjoy your holiday shopping? Yeah. Peace. Before I end this video though, I just want to remind you guys that we are having a drop, a new release for a new hoodie design that I've been working on. The main theme of it is black and gold, and the main focus is around our chrome gold FRS. But we're going to be having this drop this coming Friday, December 18. We're also going to be releasing a whole bunch of new stickers and restocking on all of our hoodie colors. So mark your calendars. For now, if you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button ticked, drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.